I said to one of the dudes, Paul, I said, yo, Paul, you good? He said, yeah, I'm good. I said, here, hold this. And that was a Glock 26. I gave it to him, you understand? Because I had another weapon on, I had my personal weapon on me, and I had a Glock 26. And I said, yo, hold this, I'll be right back. I went downstairs and got the cars and put them right in front of the door. Big car and our car, you know what I'm saying? So when Big comes out, because it's gonna take him a long time to walk out, that we'll be right there. We didn't have to wait for the cars or anything. Big comes out, everybody comes out, we walk, it's taking time, I go back upstairs, we walking real slow, because Big could barely walk. They was pushing him around Cali in a wheelchair.